Hello everyone, it's Jarvus here. Today's topic is about how to use MATLAB to make a song, and I'm going to use the fundamental frequency. We can create a different pitch to combine them as a song. Okay, let's start it. This is a very simple test. We just use fundamental frequency to create a different pitch, and then use the decreasing function to make it more smooth. What is the fundamental frequency? We can refer this website. It's about the piano frequency. Here, we can see this is the piano frequency, and then we have the index about the key, like key number, and its frequency by this formula. So we can see there are many keys and its frequency. Like here is the do, and its key number is 52, and its frequency is 523. So we can use this key number to create its frequency and as a sine wave. Like here, this is the sine wave, and we can depends on different frequency and create its song signal like 1 second or half second by this function. And then every signal shift from strong to weak, like this one. Like our voice is from strong to weak. So we can use this decreasing function like its potential, and the function will be like this one, from here to here. Or we can use the second way, like the audio should be from weak to strong, and then from strong to weak, like a triangle function here. So we can use our original signal and multiply the triangle window. Then the output should be this triangle signal. So I will use the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star this song as an example to explain how it works on my MATLAB function. I have already uploaded my MATLAB function in the MATLAB Exchange, so you can just download here. This is the function to create a song, and its sampling rate is 44,100. And I have already used these two kind of pitch, like do to C and do to C. And what is the difference between these two segments? The first one is half second, and the second one is 1 second duration. And this is a song music sheet, like the little star is like do do so so la la so, and this 4 is like 1 second, and here is only half second. And there are 6 lines to make a song and just sound. And you can see the input of here is like 52. 52 is do, and then 54 is re. So my input parameter is 52, 54, and so on. And this one is the duration, like half second or 1 second. So you can see here is the key index, and if I put 52 as a parameter, and we can use this function to get its frequency. So by this frequency, I can create my sine wave here. And this method 1, method 2, method 3 is with different decreasing function, like the first one is without any decreasing function, and the second one is with the exponential decreasing, and the third one is triangle decreasing. So let's hear what is the difference between these 3 songs. So I will play the first one first. Like just use run. Okay, you can hear that's very weird. There are some breakpoint inside, and it's like the weird sound like da 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 da. So let's see what happened. So first we can plot the song wave to see. So you can see this is a wave. All is with the same amplitude. Like here is the do, do, so, something like here. And the amplitude is the same. So this is not very natural. Like our audio, our speech will from weak to strong, from strong to weak, or will like decreasing. So let's try to use the method 2 to hear what is the difference. It's the same. There's very weird point like this part. It's suddenly higher in every point here, every segment here. So that creates a different weird sound like da 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 da. And we can see this is a decreasing from every signal, but they still suddenly appear. It's not natural. So let's see the third method, like triangle window. Okay, this is very perfect, like our audio, our song. It will not suddenly appear. It should be from weak to strong, and then from strong to weak. So every signal should be like the triangle here, and every tone, every pitch is perfect as a song. Thanks for your watching. My next video is about noise reduction by window filter. This is a very basic method to execute the noise separation like denoising. If you want to watch my next video, please subscribe me, and you can refer my sessions online in my website. I have already uploaded many videos in YouTube and source code, and it's about different knowledge about audio. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.